Welcome. Let's walk through the toolbar in Akoonu Pipeline Reviews. There's a lot packed in there that lets you control what data you're seeing and how you choose to see it. The toolbar is located in the dark blue header area. The first button is the filter button, and this allows you to apply filters to the view you're looking at. In the filter menu, there are your quick filter options. In this case, it's by opportunity type and forecast category. These might be different. This is configurable. So your org might have different fields available here, sales stage perhaps, or something else relevant to your opportunities. There's a more filters button in the menu, which will take you to the advanced filtering, which we'll have another video about. The next button over is the calendar, and this allows you to select the pipeline period. So the close date filter on the opportunities. Several different options for how you can specify the pipeline period. The first is using standard periods like current quarter, next quarter, this month, next month, this fiscal year, next fiscal year, and so on. Below that, you can select specific fiscal periods, months, quarters, or years. The third option is to select an explicit date range. So you can set the beginning date of the period and the end date of the period. And the final option is to use a custom range. So the next 2 weeks, last 2 quarters, and so on. So that's how you select the pipeline period you're looking at in the view. So for instance, I can switch my view to, let's see, May 2026, next month. The next button in the toolbar is the scope. So the opportunities to show. The options are all opportunities, which will be all opportunities that you have access to see in Salesforce. My opportunities which will be just the ones owned by you, or my team's opportunities, which will be yours and those below you in the user role hierarchy. The next button has 2 controls in it. So one is for the header options. By default, you see the pipeline summary statistics in the dark blue header area. You can switch this to the win metrics, in which case the summary metrics will change to win metrics. So the average win size, win rate, and total won. Below that, you're able to select the amount field to use in Akoonu. So the primary amount field, it's set by default. In this case, it's using the standard amount field. I can change this to the ARR amount, which is a custom amount field. And now all the amounts in the views have changed to use that field, both in the header areas as well as in all the details in the views. The next button is the flag button. When we're looking at the list view, you can see that way on the left-hand side of every opportunity row, there's a flag that you can set. So this might be a deal that you want to flag for further review during a one-on-one meeting, or it might be a deal that you want to follow up on later. And what the flag button does is it allows you to very quickly be able to filter down to those opportunities. So you can select just the flagged ones, uncheck the button, and now you're seeing all again. The next button is the change period. So this has the biggest impact on the flow view. And what it allows you to do is select the change period that you're going to analyze the pipeline over. It can be the last day, the last 7 days, and so on. It can be this week, this month, this quarter. It can be a relative range like the last 2 weeks, or it can be an explicit period in the past, which really gives you a way to retroactively look at the forecast flow for a period in the past. The final button in the toolbar is the refresh button, which will simply refresh the view that you're looking at with all the same filters and options applied. And finally is the list view. So if you want to search for specific opportunities based on their name or the account's name, the owner's name, you can use this search box to find what you're looking for. So that's a walkthrough of the Akoonu for Pipeline Reviews toolbar and what each of the different buttons and controls does there. Thanks for joining me.